Hey guys, this is Juan here from Online Entrepreneur Now, and today I'm gonna cover the Affiliate Marketing Mastery course by Stefan James. So you might be here because you've heard of the course or you saw it somewhere and you wanted to know if it's worth your money, or you're looking for just an affiliate course to kickstart your affiliate business and learn more about it. So if that's you, then definitely stick around. I'm gonna show you the inside of the course and my take on it. So with that said, let's go over to my computer so I can show you more of the course. Alright guys, so now we are on my computer and this is the affiliate marketing dashboard. And before I begin and I show you the different modules and what is taught inside the course, if you don't already know Stefan, then I want to give you a little bit of background. So, Stefan James is a multi-millionaire entrepreneur, and he actually shows his entire journey on YouTube. So, if you don't follow him already, then I definitely recommend you follow him. He goes really deep into what he teaches, and I've actually bought a course before, another course which is about morning ritual from Stefan. And if you want to see more about it, then I've got a video and definitely go check it out. And what I've noticed is that he delivers on his word. Okay, the course was really extensive and it really helped me. So I know Stefan delivers what he says. And that's the reason I bought this course, because I wanted to start with affiliate marketing for a long time. I've tried different courses before that one. Actually, some cheap courses. I went to Udemy and tried a few courses. I bought the ClickBank University course, which is a nice course, but I think that this one is more in depth. Okay, and then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna invest, and this is a high ticket course, but let me tell you guys, it's really worth it. And if you want to succeed and be a successful online entrepreneur, then you can't cheap your way into it. You gotta invest in good resources, good courses, good software, whatever you need to succeed, you gotta invest in it. Okay, so with that said, let's start and let me show you the different modules and what it teaches inside that course. So the first module is about introduction, strategy, and mindset about affiliate marketing. All right, so it shows you what is going to be taught in the course, what is the plan. You need the plan of attack. You need to set goals. You need to know how you're going to succeed. So that's a really important module, and I recommend you take the time and really understand what is going to be taught. He also provides a bonus ebook in here, which can help you. If you prefer to read, then you can see it, and it shows you the way from A to Z. I went through both of them, so why not? I think the goal setting workshop lesson is really revolutionary. I also made a video about goal setting that you can watch, but this goes more into it, and it's really amazing. It can help you set goals in life, not just for affiliate marketing, but for anything. And yeah, so let's move on to the next module. So the next module is about market research and keywords. So in here, it shows you different niches you can choose from, the different products you can promote. So if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, you can watch my video that I've made about it. But basically, affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's products and then referring customers to it. And every time a customer buys that product, you get a commission for it. So there's different products. There are digital products, there are physical products, and it shows you the different ones. It helps you make keyword research. So keyword is really important to rank your site, your YouTube, your posts, whatever you need, because the internet is a big place, and in order to show your content to people, you need to know how to optimize it with the right keywords. Next, he talks about niche selection. So selecting the right market for you, what you know about, and I'm not going to go much deeper into it, but it helps you select what you're going to promote essentially. It shows you different affiliate networks, and it provides a bonus which is amazing in my eyes, which is a list of affiliate programs that have been proven to work, so you don't have to go look over the internet for the right program. It lists a lot of programs that really work and are very profitable. So definitely a good bonus. So you can start promoting products right away and don't waste your time looking for ones. So let's move on to the third module. In the third module, it helps you create your online brand and presence. So it shows you the different marketing channels, how to select a brand name, how to set up domain and hosting, setting up your blog, your WordPress plugins, how to create a logo and your branding, blog design, SEO optimization, which is the keywords that I've talked about, how you can rank your content online, how to set up your YouTube channel, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram. So this is great not only for affiliate marketing, this is great for any online business because you can use the same strategy to set up an e-commerce site and everything, okay? So this is really valuable, and it will help you understand how online business works. So I think this module is really, really important. Then he also provides two amazing bonuses, which the first one is setting up your website for you. So this is amazing. And I think he provides a premium theme that usually costs money, but if you set it up through him, then you don't have to pay for it, and it's a really good theme. Another bonus he offers here is setting up an affiliate marketing funnel for you. So if you don't know what a funnel is essentially in order to sell something, you have to create a funnel, which is attracting customers to you, then following up with them and helping them understand what the product is about and ultimately help them make a buying decision. So it helps you set up your marketing funnel with a funnel that already works, okay? Because in marketing you gotta do a lot of testing and see what works and A/B split testing. So he already did it, and he can provide a funnel that already works. So again, saving you time and energy on things you don't have to worry about. So I think that's great. The next module is about content creation. So in this course, Stefan talks about content marketing. So essentially, it's creating content online in order to attract your followers, your customers. It shows you content strategies, quality content, how to create quality content, how to create blog articles, YouTube videos, social media, the laws of success. Okay, it gives you even a bonus every time. It gives you a bonus, so that's amazing, guys. It gives you a bonus of 33 irresistible headline formula templates. So it gives you 33 you can use for yourself and just adapt them to your own needs. The next module is about visitors, following, and building your email list. Okay, so it shows you different marketing strategies you can use. It shows you YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, Instagram, how to build an email list, which is really important for any business. Okay, so it shows you really extensive videos about building an email list because you need an email list to follow up with customers and stay in touch with them. Because usually when someone gets into your site or to your YouTube video, they might see it once and never come back again. But if they sign up to an email list, you can keep getting in touch with them and convert them maybe in the future. Um, so that helps create a relationship with your followers and customers. So that's super important for any business. Um, then module 6 talks more about start earning money and monetizing your traffic. So before monetization, it talks about that you need to build your following a little bit and really provide value to people. So that's really important. It helps you with the 10 laws of selling. Um, Shows you different affiliate programs, how to clock affiliate links, how to monetize your blog, your YouTube channel, your social media, your email. So yeah, that's really important as well. Again, it provides the bonus of ultimate list of affiliate programs in here in case you missed it. The next and final module talks about troubleshooting the analytics, how to survey your subscribers, doing split testing. So as I said, marketing is a lot about testing and understanding your customer and who you're talking with. So it helps you do the analytics and see how you're doing, what you need to improve. And that's always going to happen with any business. You always start and you improve. Then it provides even more bonuses. So it's got more advanced strategies in here. So how to set up your ClickFunnels account in only a few minutes, how to easily set up your first funnel from scratch, how to automate your marketing with emails, advanced email marketing strategies, copywriting, Facebook ads training, which that alone can cost a few $100s, Snapchat and Periscope marketing, blog designs, podcast training, how to train a virtual assistant. So a virtual assistant, if you don't know, many online entrepreneurs use what is called a virtual assistant, which is essentially instead of hiring someone to work in an office with you full time, you just hire a virtual assistant to do a certain task or the more mundane tasks that you don't want to do yourself. And it can be really inexpensive because most of them you can hire on the Philippines and they do an amazing job and you pay them a lot less than someone, let's say, in the US. And for them that's a lot of money, so you may pay them, I don't know, $5 an hour, $3 an hour, and for them that's a lot of money because of the difference in markets. Okay, so they live in the Philippines. There's a different currency in there, so the dollar is much stronger in there. It shows you a little bit more about Amazon affiliate marketing. Then he has another bonus, which is case studies. So it shows you different case studies of affiliate contests, product launches, affiliate contests, the 100-day challenge. So different um, programs he promoted himself. Then it shows you another bonus, which is expert interviews. So he interviewed many successful affiliate marketers like Matt Gallant, Ryan Caution, John Crestani, Mike Thomas, and so on. A few blogging strategies, internet marketing with Neil Patel that you probably are familiar with. Um, Then another bonus he provides is website reviews and feedbacks. So that's really important. You gotta have feedback about what you do. Yeah. Another thing the course offers is a Facebook community. And that's super important because you don't want to go through it alone. You gotta do it with other people. And there are questions that are gonna rise up and you're gonna have to answer, which may not be in the course or you don't understand, and doing it with a group and asking questions and doing maybe masterminds and weekly meetings with group members connecting can help you not only understand something from another perspective but also collaborate with others. I mean, you are all learning to be online entrepreneurs and collaboration is super important. You gotta help each other with collaborations and promoting each other and giving ideas to each other. So that's really important. At the time of this recording, the group consists of around 2,000 members, I think, and they're all really active. Um, the the admins are really helpful. They answer your questions super quick. Um, they really provide support for you. So this is amazing community. What else? He's got webinars in here that you can watch, which he has done in the past, talking about the course, answering questions. So definitely watch it as well. He's got resources, so all the resources you need, like programs or software, whatever you need, is listed in there. Yeah, so every video in here is really extensive. It can be from 20 minutes to 40 to even an hour long videos and maybe more, which go really in depth to everything, and it's really easy to understand. It's all in slideshows most of the time, so you can write it. I recommend you write everything down for yourself, so it's really easy to understand. Um, yeah, I think I've covered most of the course itself. Is always innovating and changing things and adding things. So he's not just created a course and left it alone. He's always adding to it. So definitely, I recommend buying this course. It's really amazing what you can learn from it, and it goes much more in depth than a lot of courses out there. And again, if you don't follow Stefan already, I definitely recommend you follow him. He's an amazing guy. He's really honest and really transparent about what he teaches. Yeah, so with that said, let's get back to the camera. So I hope this review of the course has helped you understand better and make maybe a buying decision. If you want to learn more about the course, then there is actually a free masterclass you can sign up to, which is amazing by itself. So you can watch it and then decide if you want to buy the course or not. I will link it in the description below. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.